78 Stinking Lincoln. First of all, I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my content. If you could just take a moment, please, and subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment in the section, especially if there's something that you're curious about, want to learn about, especially if it comes to one of these old school classics. I have all the service manuals, and I've got a fair amount of experience on them now too as well. In this video, we're going to do a second video to the Rockville demo that I did a little bit over a year ago. A lot of people are asking in the comments about the durability of these speakers. I've had them for 2 years now. I'm running them off at DB16. I would say probably when I get to really bumping, I'm probably 1500 watts, solid. I've got 2 batteries, a 275 amp alternator. Anyways, without further ado, we've put a lot of miles on them since then. Let's see how they're doing now. So, going on 2 years now. Well, I sure do appreciate you watching my video. Tell me what you guys think about those speakers in the comments. I have them going on about 2 years now. I'm really happy with them. I think they're a great bang for the buck, and they've been a good fit for me in the way I've got it going on. So anyhow, again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, tap that bell for notifications, and thank you for checking in. Take care. Bye.